Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to make liquid car wash at home. But before we go into the production proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. The chemicals required to produce liquid car wash are as follows. The first one is called Nitrosol, the second one is called soda ash, and the third chemical is called sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP. The fourth chemical is sulphonic acid, and the fifth chemical is sodium lauryl sulphate, also known as SLS. This is followed by the sixth chemical known as sodium silicate, and the seventh chemical is propylene glycol. The eighth chemical is color, the ninth chemical is perfume, and the 10th chemical, which is optional, is caustic soda. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 10 liters of liquid car wash. Nitrosol 50 gram, soda ash 150 gram, STPP 80 gram, sulphonic acid 1/4 liters, SLS 30 gram, sodium silicate 50 ml, propylene glycol 80 ml, color a tablespoon, perfume 40 ml, and caustic soda 50 gram. Now let me show you these chemicals one by one and then we go into mixing properly. This is nitrosol, and this is soda ash. This is sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP. This is sulphonic acid. This is sodium lauryl sulphate, also known as SLS. This is sodium silicate. Propylene glycol. This is the color we're going to use. This one here is perfume, and this is caustic soda. Now pour some water into an empty bucket and dissolve the nitrosol in the water. Keep adding the nitrosol and at the same time keep stirring the solution. Make sure the nitrosol do not form lumps. Nitrosol here is acting as a binder in this formulation. Now for details of the functions of each chemical in this preparation, you can get our ebook. Send a WhatsApp message to the phone number shown up on the screen right now. Now you can dissolve your soda ash and add to the solution. Dissolve also the STPP and add to the solution. Now you can add your sulphonic acid. Now dissolve the caustic soda and add to the solution. At this point, you can dissolve your SLS and add to the solution. Please note that we are preparing 10 liters of liquid car wash. Hence, the total volume of water used here, including the volume of water used to dissolve all the solid particles, must not be more than 10 liters. You can now add your sodium silicate. Just like I said earlier, if you want to know the function of each of the chemicals used in this preparation, you can get our ebook. Send a WhatsApp message to the phone number shown up on the screen right now. Now you can add your propylene glycol. You can now add your perfume. Dissolve also the color in water and add to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your liquid car wash is ready for use. You can prepare this for your personal use, and if you own a car wash business center, this is the ideal thing for you to do. Now, the silicate and propylene glycol is added to make the car body shine. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.